Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Scorpio at sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest the love sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so alamin natin ang energy na magsasagap ko for the Scorpio Collective. So for this reading, this is a weekly reading para sa February 16 to 22. Okay. Ngayon habang binabalasat ko tong cards, gusto ko na magpasalamat sa lahat ng Scorpio na subaybay at sumusuporta ng channel na to. At sa mga bago, na sana supportan nyo rin by liking this video. And subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang love reading. Share na rin sa iba pang Scorpio. And comment kung nag-resonate itong reading na to. Sige, alamin natin yung overall energy ng reading na to. Second card for February. Ayan, ambition. Okay. So, itong card na to, is telling you na ito yung love na you're hoping for. Ito yung love na inaasam-asam mo. So, di ba, pag may ambition ka, ito yung goal mo at gusto mo siyang ma-achieve. Pero sige, tignan natin ano yung detalye ng reading na to. Okay? So, using tarot, alamin natin yung detalye. Bubunot ako ng 10 cards. And, habang binabalasa ko, I hope na mag-resonate itong reading. Pero, just a reminder, this is a collective reading. Kaya kung hindi siya mag-resonate sa inyo, pagpilitin. So, because it may or may not resonate. So, kung hindi, it means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. At abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay, so tingnan natin. Second card. And for this. Ooh, 5 of Cups. Ooh, the Lovers. The Hermit. 10 of Coins. Okay. 7 of Swords. Okay. King of Coins. Knight of Swords. 5 of Coins. Kita pa ba siya? Okay. King of Cups. And 10 of Wands. Okay. Okay. So, there's a strong energy of Gemini and Virgo. So, pwedeng yun yung signs ng person ninyo. Okay? But doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay, so nagsimula siya sa 5 of Cups and ended with the 10 of Wands. Oops, sorry. So, si 5 of Cups is, well, I can sense here na in the recent past, there was so much sadness when it comes to love. So, pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng misunderstanding with your person, or pwedeng in the recent past, may breakup na naganap, merong di pagkakaunawaan, merong separation, okay? And, ayun nga, you are parang heartbroken. So, in the recent past. Kasi nga, mahal na mahal mo tong tao na to. Okay? So, someone asked for space. I guess that's your person. He or she wanted space. So, nakipag-hiwalay siya sa'yo. And, siya yung inakala mo na taong makakasama mo habang buhay. Alam mo yun, parang yung relationship mo with this person, kala mo yun na yung long-term relationship na inaasam-asam mo. Okay? So, however, merong as shown here by Seven of Swords, niloko ka nung tao na to. Kaya ka nasaktan and the relationship has ended. Okay? Pero, ayan. Pero, huwag kang mag-alala kasi, ayan. As shown here with the King of Coins, you will meet someone who will provide you the love, yung abundant love na inaasam-asam mo rin. Okay? Okay, darating yung person na yun, and this person is faithful siya. Magiging faithful siya sa'yo. Okay? And paparating na to, as shown here by the Knight of Swords. Okay? May paparating na tong tao na to towards you. So, abangan mo lang. At the moment, yes, because of the past heartache, I mean, the past relationship, yung taong inakala mong magiging long-term partner mo na, taong minahal mo ng sobra. Okay? At the moment, yeah, you feel, alam mo yun, alam mo yung feeling na nawalan ka. Ganon, yung there's a loss. And so, as shown here with the Five of Coins, na nawala nga yung taong minahal mo ng todo. Pero huwag kang mag-alala kasi may darating na bago. At yung bagong tao na yun ay mamahalin ka talaga ng totoo. And this person, he or she will be very faithful to you. Okay, so at the moment, yes, there's parang binibigyan mo muna ng space din yung sarili mo to heal. Okay? And as seen here naman din with the King of Cups, na yung person nga na darating sa'yo ay very loyal, very secure, at magkakaroon ka ng emotional stability. Diba? So, when it comes to this person, so abangan mo na yan. So, ito, yung Ten of Wands, kasi at the moment, meron ka pang mga baggages. Okay? And kailangan mo na siyang i-let go. Yung baggages na yun, yung mga grudges and yung burdens na nakuha mo from the past relationship, you really have to let it go now. Okay? Let go mo na yon kasi may darating sa buhay mo na bago. Pero tingnan natin nga, ano ba tong, at sino ba tong, hindi pala sino ba tong darating sa buhay mo? Tingnan lang natin. Anong second card? Ooh, okay. So, tama. So, si Nine of Pentacles. Okay. So, si Nine of Pentacles is a card of security. And papalayain ka niya from the heartache of your past. Okay? So, ayan, exciting. Napakaganda nung ano. Kaya, tama na yan ang pag-iisip what your, yung inaambisyon mo is darating. Darating na siya. Very soon. Okay? And, tingnan natin, seal natin yung reading na to with one more oracle card. So, faith. O, diba? Have faith na mangyayari siya. Okay? So, huwag mangamba kung ano tong ina-ambition mo. Okay? Mangyayari siya at manalig ka lang. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Sana nag-resonate itong reading na to. If yes, comment na below. Faith. Comment faith and claim the energy. Okay? So, muli ako si Mystico Moreno. At kita-kits sa susunod pang love reading. Dito lang mismo. Ingat!